root of 16 minus x square. It's a very easy problem. Whatever we write inside the root, that must be positive, is greater than equal to 0, or x square minus 16 is less than equal to 0. X minus 4 into x plus 4 is less than equal to 0. X lies between minus 4 to plus 4. Okay, I'll show in the graph. You can get a clarity. If you see very carefully, I'm zooming it out. Okay, this is equal to minus 4 and this is equal to 4. And this point is also 0, 4. It will always be positive. So this is always be positive. So what is the range? If I talk about the range, f of x lies between 0 and 4. This is the range. What is the domain? X belongs to minus 4 to plus 4 is the domain. This is domain and this is range. This is domain and this is range. Graph is clear to you. Now, in this way, it is increasing. It is increasing. Then this portion is decreasing. Another thing we observe, whenever function increases and decreases, you get a point of max. So maximum value. Maximum value. So whenever function increases then decreases, in between you'll get a maximum value.